To quickly send email alerts or email notifications or even reach out to clients on a mass scale, you can do so by using the Campaigns feature within Salesforce. In order to quickly create a campaign or edit an existing campaign, click the Campaigns tab at the top of the screen. After clicking Campaigns, you may view a list of active, my, or all campaigns simply by changing list views or creating your own list view. At this point, you may click the New Campaign button to create a campaign from scratch. You will then have to fill out the required fields, including the campaign name, the type, which is going to default to email, the send date, which can be selected or simply clicked to select today's date, and the status, which is default sent. In addition to this, you may add a description to add some notes on what the campaign is for. At this point, you may click Save to save your campaign, or Save in New to quickly create a new one as well. After saving your campaign, you will be pulled to the campaign detail page. The campaign detail page will reveal more information, such as campaign members, attachments, which would allow you to add files, as well as view campaign history once you actually start sending Silver Pop emails. More or less, the next key to adding campaigns is to manage the campaign members. Campaign members can be added via an import, updated via an import, or added by standard search or list view settings, or edited by standard search or list view settings. In this example, we're going to do it with standard add members search option. Once adding members to a campaign, it's important to first note that these members must be an existing lead or contact. In this instance, we're going to use contacts. Additionally, contacts can quickly be filtered using an existing list view, such as My Contacts or Recently Viewed Contacts, or by establishing filter criteria from scratch. In the case of using filter criteria, there's a variety of use cases. Say, for instance, you wanted to find your contacts who are in the city of Denver. To do so, you would simply have to say mailing city equals Denver, and you'll find all contacts with that city. It's always important to keep consistent and standardized data, because if your data does not match exactly what you're putting in the value section, it will not appear at the bottom of the screen. For instance, if you keep some of your contacts as the mailing city equal to LA, but some of your other contacts as Los Angeles, you will not be able to find all of these contacts from a quick and simple filter search. That's why it's important to always keep consistent data, and honestly, it is much easier to use these filters and features with an existing list view. It can be done from the campaign page directly, but it is easiest to simply create your list view on the contact object and then reference it in the campaign itself. At this point, you may add members based on your list view, or simply add all of your filtered members to the group by clicking the checkbox at the top of the contacts section. Finally, in order to add contacts or leads, click the Add with Status button. In this case, we recommend clicking Sent, as this is the primary mode, instead of Responded. At this point, you'll notice we have switched from the Add Members to the Existing Members tab on your Campaign Manage Members section. You may now view the members in your campaign, quickly remove or edit members, and update the status from Sent to Responded if needed. When going back to your campaign detail page, you may then send an email to these campaign members by clicking the Send Silver Pop email button. In the case of this demo, I'm in a sandbox environment, so it will not actually send an email. But when you are in your production org, the Send Silver Pop email button will enable you to quickly email your campaign members en masse. Additionally, after you have sent some emails, you can view your Silver Pop email campaign activities at the bottom of your screen in this related list section. Additionally, if you wish to simply add contacts to an existing campaign, you can do so by clicking the Contacts tab. At this point, you may view your list of contacts and simply select which ones you would like to add to a campaign. Once you've clicked Add Campaign, you may search Campaign, filter your list views to find what you're looking for, select your relevant campaign, and add any members to your existing campaign. So to recap, to create a new campaign or manage, go to the Campaign tab. To quickly add contacts to a campaign, you may also do so by selecting and using the Add to Campaign button.